Score guide. How is the test marked? PTE has published an official score guide PDF. I've attached it to this lesson here. You can find it on the website as well. It's the same PDF. Please make sure to go through pages 31 to 39 and have a read through listening scoring. You will see that the skills that are tested in listening module are divided to two categories there: communicative skills and sub-skills, other sub-skills. Communicative skills are what we call modules: writing, speaking, listening, and reading. As I told you, for example, for summarized spoken text, two communicative skills are tested: writing and listening. We will go through it for each question type, don't worry about it. Just understand it. Sub-skills tested is another set of skills that are tested and you're scored for, and it's basically about the content, what you put out, what your answer is, and it is marked based on vocabulary, grammar, spelling, content, and form. Example for these is, for example, identifying the topic, understanding what the main topic is of that audio clip or whatever it is, identifying speaker's purpose or attitude. Is she proving, for example, the theory that she's talking about? Is she rejecting it? Understanding academic vocabulary. It's about your knowledge of academic vocabulary. Inferring the meaning of unfamiliar words. This is mostly used in multiple choice questions. And another example is following an oral sequencing of information, and more and more. I'll go through it again. As I said, for each question type, just have a read through this. This is a slide I added it last minute. I just want you to remember some important points. This course, this topic is short. Please finish it as quick as possible. Have determination. Don't just let it sit there in your courses. Go through it, get it done. And please message me with any question you might have regarding listening module or really any other modules, writing, speaking, reading. I'll be happy to help. If it's specifically around listening and you think others can benefit from it, please post it on Q&A section on the course. And if this course helped you, refer to a friend in need. And I always will be happy to receive constructive feedback. I can make changes and amendments to this course later, so if you think something needs to be improved or changed, please let me know. I'll consider that. And give this course what it deserves, which is 5 stars, and check out my other courses in my profile. They're all there. Let's get to the first question type, which is summarized spoken text. Next lesson.